It's the love of God that makes a difference to them. Let them know you're important. God has not forgotten about you. He loves you. And if you were the last person on this earth, Jesus would still give his life for you. But and so when we step in that door, we look at the smiles and the hugs, and we hug them, we kiss them, and they hold on to us and we hold on to them. And even after the services is over with, some is still lingering in that room. We say, now we got to get you home now. We got to get you home. But we just love it. We love what we do. And the Lord has really blessed us. But we get more of a blessing from the residents here at Heartland. They're so sweet and so special. Well, when they come down here, they're excited. They are really excited. And I was here the other week. They had a gospel singing outside. And so I came over and went outside. And they had watermelon, and they had their drinks, and they had the hats on, and the music was going, and everybody was clapping and just having a good time. It was a beautiful day. God bless us with a beautiful day. And someone was laid back in their chairs with their hats on, just enjoying everything. So they're a blessing to us. But I see that they're happy. You know, even if you're in a wheelchair and you can find, in their hearts, you can just see the expression, the joy of the Lord in their hearts. And they'll clap. Some of them will lift their hands. Some of them will say, thank you, Jesus. And we just have a great time.